Hey, this is Russ here. How you doing? Hey, I'm really excited. I just got my Selkirk Demo package here and my paddle in with it as well, I hope. So I'm just going to open her up and see what's in here. Big box. I'm expecting a lot of big surprises. If I get this open, that would be wonderful. All right, so first thing we got, paper. Don't need that. Oh, got a dozen Selkirk balls. Nice. The Pro S1. Awesome. I'll be using them. Yeah, these have a 1-year no crack warranty. I like that. All right. Oh my goodness. All right. Invoice. Look at this. So we start out with an Invicta Vanguard. Nice. It's a beautiful paddle. This is the control one. This is the Invicta Vanguard control. Okay. And now we have an Invicta Vanguard Power. Okay. Ooh, this one has no edge on it, no border. And it's a 14 millimeter. This one is a 16. Okay. So these are ones for, so power, the thinner one for power, thicker one for more control. That makes perfect sense. Nice looking paddle too. I like that there's no border on it, no edging on it. All right, next, we got an Epic Vanguard control. Okay, this is a 16 millimeter. It's got a nice big sweet spot. Got a little shorter handle. I like a longer one, but I'll give this a shot. My students will like this. A lot of them are young females with smaller hands, and they always ask about a shorter grip. All right, now we have an Amped Pro Air, an Epic. Okay, this is nice. This is a nice short one, so it has a nice big sweet spot, which is good for controlling your shots. And I'm expecting, yep, here is the Amped Invicta Pro Air, or Amped Pro Air Invicta, which is, you can see, longer. Got about the same size handle, it looks like, handle, but it is taller. All right, it's got a longer reach, and it's a little more narrower. So, of course, the Epic is shorter, but it has a bigger sweet spot, so it's more for control, if I understand correctly. And the Pro Air is a longer one, so it has more reach and it has more power. So this would be good variety for